Hey Siege operators, welcome back. Getting the game linked to different account error in Rainbow Six Siege on PC. I'm sharing quick fixes to get you back in action without losing progress. Right, so to summarize, this error pops up when your Steam or console account is linked to the wrong Ubisoft account, often from auto-linking or using multiple accounts. It blocks access, saying problem authenticating ownership, even with hours played. Don't panic, it's fixable. Right, to try and fix this error, firstly, log out and in. Open Ubisoft Connect, sign out and log back in with the Ubisoft account tied to your game purchase. After that, you can also go to Steam Library, Steam Apps Common, basically find your game in your Steam folder and find Rainbow Six executable. Right-click and select Properties, Compatibility, and check Run as Administrator. Then apply. Launch directly from this file, not Steam. Unlink accounts. Visit accounts.ubisoft.com, sign in, go to Accounts and Information, Linked Accounts, and unlink your Steam account. Relink to the correct Ubisoft account when prompted. Also, if stuck, you can submit a ticket at supportubisoft.com with your Steam ID, proof of purchase, and Ubisoft account details. And that's pretty much it, very easy fix. Now you've fixed the Siege account error and are ready to frag. Need more gaming hacks? Smash that like, subscribe, and of course comment your fix below. Also guys, if you need any help, once again visit support.ubisoft.com for any further assistance. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time.